Hi my weaving friends, how are you doing? Have you seen this gorgeous I'm wearing today? Maybe you have seen it knitted or crocheted. The thing is that today I'm going to show you how to make it with the KAYU. So the second larger size, of course in this case is a bit tight. I think the better size to make for a average head is the larger one, 12 by 12 inches. Okay, but I did it in this size. I put it in my 7-year-old girl and it fits perfectly, better than me maybe. Of course you can put it in the middle or in the sides, it's really up to you. So I hope you like it. This is a I don't know, 3 or 4 hours project, quite fast. You can make it in a weekend or share it with someone and make it together, maybe one for your friend and one for you, and then you go to the shops together by wearing your beautiful hats. I was always thinking about putting a flower maybe or a brooch or something to decorate it, not sure, but I think I like it this way. So do you want to see the step-by-step instructions? Let's go! So how did it go? As you can see, I changed the position of the hats. So I hope you like this project, and I hope I can see the pictures of your own version. So do you like this color combination? Of course you can make it with just one single color. You know that variegated yarns are great for this color effects without much effort. And also you can make a plaid one, maybe that could be interesting. But it's better, even though you need elasticity, you don't require elastic yarn. That can be a bit tricky when you weave it because it tends to shrink, as you know. So just try out the yarns you have. You can use bulky or super bulky, or just multiple strands to make a thicker cord. It really depends on you. The thing is that you respect, or you make the size that I am pointing to do. The larger one or the second one. So let's see you in another video. Bye bye.